Greetings everyone and welcome back to Fluent English. In this session, we're going to practice 100 useful questions and answers that you can incorporate into your daily conversations. Here's our simple process. I'll begin by asking a question. Then I'll provide the answer. Next, you should read the answer out loud. Finally, I'll repeat the answer slowly so you can check your pronunciation and repeat after me. This is an excellent way to practice your speaking skills with me. Let's begin with some questions about small talk and daily life. Everyday conversations. Are you busy at the moment? Not particularly. What's going on? Do you live in the neighborhood? Yes, I'm just a couple of blocks away. Are you available this weekend? Yeah, I'm free on Saturday. Is this your first time visiting here? Yes, it is. What about you? Do you usually prepare your own meals at home? Yes, I cook most evenings. Are you feeling a bit tired? A little, but I'm doing all right. Do you watch television at night? Yes, I usually catch a show after dinner. Are you feeling better now? Yes, much better. Thank you. Do you take the bus to get to work? No, I typically drive. Are you a skilled cook? I'm decent, but I'm not a great cook. Do you read before going to bed? Yes, almost every single night. Are you ready to leave? Yes, I have everything I need. Do you participate in any sports? Yes, I play football on Sundays. Are you tied up tomorrow? Yes, I have a lot on my plate. Do you get along with your neighbors? Yes, they're really friendly. Are you into music? Yes, I listen to it every day. Do you exercise on a regular basis? Yes, about 3 times a week. Are you active on social media? Yes, but not very often. Do you drink coffee daily? Yes, at least 2 cups. Are you in the process of learning something new? Yes, I'm learning English. Do you wake up early? Yes, I'm usually up by 6. Are you feeling cold? Yes, it's absolutely freezing today. Do you check the news every day? Yes, I check it every morning. Are you ready for lunch? Yes, I'm starving. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, a little bit of Spanish. Shopping and dining out. Do you require a bag? No, I brought my own. Thanks anyway. Are you prepared to place your order? Yes, I'll have the pasta, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes. A glass of water, please. Would you like to have the receipt? Yes, please. Are you paying with a card? Yes, I'll use my card. Do you want this to go? Yes, I'd like it for takeaway, please. Would you prefer to sit inside or outside? Outside, please. Is the service charge already included in the bill? Yes, it's already accounted for. Would you like to try this on? Yes. Where are the fitting rooms? Are you looking for anything specific? Yes, I'm in need of a black jacket. Do you want still or sparkling water? Still water, please. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. Do you want to split the bill? Yes. Let's divide it. Is this item on sale? Yes, it's half price today. Do you need a basket? No, I'll just hold the items. Thanks. Would you like to pay now or later? I will pay now. Do you want to receive cash back? No, thank you. Is everything all right with your meal? Yes, it's absolutely perfect. Thank you very much. Do you want to keep the bag? No, you can have it. Would you be interested in trying a sample? Yes, please. Would you like to add a dessert? No, I'm completely full. Thanks. Is this your correct size? Yes. It fits me well. Do you want ketchup with that? Yes, please. Would you like to sit by the window? Yes, that would be lovely. Do you require a straw? No, I'm fine without one, thanks. Work and phone calls. Could I give you a call back later? Sure, that's no problem at all. You attending the meeting? Yes, I'll be there at 10 o'clock. Do you work from home? Yes, I work remotely 3 days a week. Do you have a moment for a quick chat? Yes, just give me 5 minutes, please. Can you send me the file? Yes, I'll send it to you right now. Do you need a hand with that report? No, I have it under control. Thank you. Are you staying late at work tonight? Yes, I need to finish this project. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you just fine. Do you want me to take notes? Yes, that would be really helpful. Are you available tomorrow morning? Yes, I'm free after 9. Can we reschedule the meeting to Friday? Yes, that works for me. Do you want to join the call? Yes, please send me the link. Are you in the office today? No, I'm working from home. Can I leave a message for them? Yes. Please go ahead. Do you need this signed today? Yes, please. It's urgent. Are you finished with the presentation? Yes, I just completed it. Can you cover for me this afternoon? Yes. I'll take care of it for you. Do you want me to email it to you? Yes, please. Are you available for lunch? Yes, what time were you thinking? Can you join us for the meeting? Yes, I'll be there. Do you have a minute? Yes, what's on your mind? Are you working on the project? Yes, I began working on it this morning. Can you review this document for me? Yes, I'll take a look at it now. Do you want me to return their call? Yes, please do. Are you satisfied with the results? Yes, they look great. Travel and social situations. Is this seat occupied? No, you can sit here. Where's the closest bus stop? It's just around the corner. Do you have any available tables for tonight? Yes, we have one at 7. Are you checking in today? Yes, I have a reservation for 2 nights. Do you need assistance with your luggage? Yes, that would be wonderful. Thank you. Is this the train to London? Yes, it departs in 10 minutes. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Is breakfast included? Yes. It's included in the price. Do you need a taxi? Yes, please. Are you here on vacation? Yes, just for 1 week. Would you like me to take a photo of you? Yes, that would be very kind of you. Is this your suitcase? Yes, that's mine. Do you have your passport with you? Yes, it's right here. Are you traveling by yourself? No, I'm with my family. Do you want to sit outside? Yes, if the weather is nice. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, it's just across the street. Would you like directions to the museum? Yes, please. Are you waiting for someone? Yes, a friend of mine. Do you require a map? No, I'll just use my phone. Thanks, though. Is this your first time in this city? Yes, it's my first time visiting. Would you care to join us for dinner? Yes, I would absolutely love to. Are you staying for a long time? No, just for this weekend. Do you want to try some local food? Yes, definitely. Is it a long way from here? No, it's about a 10-minute walk. Do you need any help? No, I'm doing fine, thanks. You have just practiced 100 of the most practical everyday questions and answers in English. The best way to achieve fluency is through repetition. So I encourage you to listen again, say the answers out loud, and try using them in real-life situations. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will become. Thank you for joining me today on Fluent English. I'm Sunny, and until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. Goodbye for now.